Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you the fastest way to reduce CPU temperature on 2024. Well, this is very easy, so you have to press the Windows key and you have to write power or you have to write energy. So you choose the first option here and wait a few seconds to the screen to load, and you have to press this first option that appears below this, and then you have to find processor power management, and then you have to go to maximum processor state, that is this option, and you will see that this is on 100%. You can mess around with 80%, 90%, and obviously this will reduce the performance on your games or whatever, so don't put it so low. Just use I don't know, 88, 85, whatever, and this will improve the temperature on your CPU. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.